Alright, so let's list this 2006 ICG MS66 nickel. These are kind of cheap, but we don't want to spend a lot of time, so here we go. Alright, so we got our photos, and let's put in some data here first. Okay, so this is a 2006. Let's do 5 cent Jefferson Nickel, mint, Denver, grade MS66. Alright, let's select the category here. So I'm just going to put in Jefferson 2006. So we're going to go greater than 2003. Done. Let's print myself a barcode and import those photos. So the software is going to import the photos and optimize them for the web and eBay. So I'm going to place that on the back of the coin. Alright, that piece is done. Now we're just going to crop the photos and we could submit this online. So let's get this cropped up real quick. And see, the software automatically moves me to the next photo, so all I have to do is select it and crop. And a little bit closer up of the obverse, and let's do the reverse, and we're done. Alright, they're a little sloppy, but you know, this is what, a $5 coin, so not too worried about that. Alright, that's done, that's done. Okay, certification. ICG. I'm not going to put a description. This is pretty much self-explanatory as to what it is. Alright, so I did that in about 2 minutes. If you want to work as fast as me, then go to soniclister.com, download the software, and give it a try. Just connect your Canon or Nikon camera, download the photos, and the software will automatically pick them up, import them, rename them, and submit them to eBay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you later.